Hello guys, I'm Baris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today, if you see, market moved in these two candles, and then the rest of the day wasn't really great, right? There was no proper momentum in the market. Market was moving up slowly, and then market moved down slowly. So aside from these two candles over here, I mean, I'd say just aside from this one candle, there was no movement at all, right? So what can we do for tomorrow is now going to be very simple. Tomorrow, price action will be your best friend over here, right? What exactly is the market doing after opening, maybe with a gap down or with a gap up or anywhere, right? Because if you see, market hasn't really been moving very good, right? Over here, market moves in one direction, then moves in another. Market moves in one direction, then moves in another, right? So there is a lot of confusion that is getting created in the market because of this. So what tomorrow, it's going to be very simple. First of all, keep it in mind, the first half of the day, or basically the start of the day, could be again a little bit directionless, right? Because again, market has closed at a point where it needs to spend a little more time in this range, and then either it can go up or it can go down, right? So the first few basically candles could again be a bit directionless, and we could not see direction for some more time in the market, right? But after that, once we start crossing, okay, let's talk about bank nifty first of all. Now tomorrow, if we are seeing selling very fast, coming in very fast, because if you see, buying is not really happening very fast over here, right? So chances are we can also see very fast selling coming in. We could again see a big red candle like this being made over here, where the market, let's say, opens flat or maybe opens with a small gap up, then makes a very big red candle and closes below 47,000. If that happens, or closes somewhere near 46,800, that would be the best, right? Closing below 46,800 will be the best for sellers in the market, which will push us down a lot, right? So that will be so if that happens, then we can see a good trend coming in the market soon, because buyers cannot hold themselves. Buyers are trying to push the market up slowly, but they will need to be very fast and take the market up very fast from here, right? They cannot take so much time. So again, tomorrow either we could see a very good short covering till 48,000, maybe above that also, or we can see a very good down move also tomorrow. So again, that depends on how Dow Jones closes, right? As of now, if we see, Dow Jones is moving, the futures of Dow Jones are moving down again. US market looking a little bit negative, but you know what, let's wait for how the closing comes in, right? So for tomorrow, it is going to be very simple. If you are seeing the market is making big red candles at the opening itself, maybe we open with a gap down and then we make big red candles, 47,200 will be very important. Tomorrow, if we start making negative price action after coming near 47,200, or maybe just a little bit above 47,200, we start making negative price action and break 47,200, that is when we can expect a very fast move till 47,000 on the downside. And this move will be fast. So I think if we get this move, then we can easily capture this move and make some money, because tomorrow is bank nifty's expiry. So premiums will be a little on the cheaper side. So you can expect a move on the downside till 47,000 if 47,200 breaks, because 47,200 is acting as a very good support. On the upside, 47,700 will be the level to watch out for. If we move above 47,700 after consolidating for a while, right? If we consolidate for a while and then break 47,700, then we can expect a straight up move till 47,950 to 48,000 on the upside, right? Because then the market will continue its up move, and then we can expect 48,000 to come easily on the upside, right? Again, on the downside, if you open with a small gap down and do nothing over here in middle, then we can't really do anything, because then there is support on the downside and then there is resistance on the upside. So either we'll need to let the market consolidate at basically in this zone for some while and then break out on the upside or on the downside. That is only when we can go ahead and take a trade over here, right? Talking about nifty, if you see, nifty went down in the first half of the day, and then in the second half it recovered, and now it has closed in the middle, right? So same thing for nifty also. 22,280 will be an important level to watch out for. If we break 22,280, then we can expect an easy 100-point move on the downside till 22,180 to 22,200. So 80 to 100 points on the downside if we break 22,280 and sustain below it. Same thing with bank nifty also. If we break and sustain a little bit, or again make price action also, that is when we will go ahead and take a short trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty till the side level on the downside, right? If we do not sustain, if we are not sustaining, if we are making candles like these where we are seeing good rejection, then it's best to not take any sort of a trade over there, right? On the upside for Nifty, level will be 22,440, basically 440. Please do not take above that. Not please do not take about 22,400. Maybe market might go up over here, take resistance, or again come down. So 20 about 22,440. Once we start taking a little bit of, once we start sustaining at that level, and then once we start breaking out above it, then we can expect a move to 22,500 on the upside. Not really a lot of space in Nifty. Best thing would be if Nifty goes down and then comes up. But yes, if Nifty goes up from here, not really a lot of space. 22,500 seems like a good resistance. But if 22,500 is sustained, then we'll see another 500 point of rally which will come in very fast, right? It will basically come in gaps, and we will see that rally basically within 2 to 3 days if we get a daily closing about 22,500, right? So I hope that is clear for you guys. On the downside, as I said, I hope that is also clear. If you open flat and do nothing over here, then we can't really do anything. Best thing would be to not take any trade in the middle over here. But again, same thing for one thing for Nifty and Bank Nifty is that if we can consolidate over here for some time and then break out on the upside, that will be much better. Same thing for Nifty also. If we can consolidate a little bit and then break out, that will be a much better option for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that is when we can get good moves on the upside, right? But again, be cautious because the buyers are not really showing a lot of strength over here, right? So don't stay euphoric and start buying at any levels, right? Wait for your chance. If you are getting a good trade, if you're seeing that buying is coming in, strong buying is coming in, only then go ahead and take a bullish trade. No problem if you are feeling doubt in on the buying side, it's okay. Do not take a trade. That is also fine, but do not push yourself to take a trade which you're not comfortable with holding on to, right? So again, tomorrow what could happen is that we could see slow buying again on the upside, and then in the second half we could see a very big dump also, right? So if in the first half we are seeing slow buying even after the breakout, please be very cautious, because then in the second half we could see a very again we could see a dump also on the downside, which could basically be easy 3 4 500 point dump without any problems in Bank Nifty, and same thing with Nifty also. If we are seeing market going up slowly, then in the second half we could again see a dump also, because then buyers will not really be able to hold their levels, because if buyers have to hold their levels, they will need to take the market up fast, right? Buyers cannot really take a lot of time over here. This is a very crucial zone, so buyers will need to push up very fast, right? If they do not push up, then chances of a breakout failure become very evident, and then we can see a very good sell-off again on the downside coming in, right? But that is something that is a little bit far-fetched, and we will talk about it in the coming days, not right now. But yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.